this egg puff, like pancake type thing that you can get in Hong Kong. And I can also smell the stinky tofu. Yeah. There's all these people behind me. It gets really busy around this area because it's a really popular tourist destination, so you should come and check out the street food in Mongkok area on, what's the name of this street? Dundas Street and, alright, it's on Dundas Street and Yung Choi South Street South. So check it out. Got some dumplings, chicken, egg puff. Here. Yeah. I'll get some egg puff. So yeah, sumai, fish balls, sausage, octopus here, and then some more balls. So I got me some eggy puffs. This tastes like pancake. And there's some more egg puffs, octopus. Is that intestine or something? No, I got a bunch of octopus and an intestine. Egg puffs. Egg puffs were only 10 Hong Kong dollars, so that's really cheap. I'll put some conversions, but they're like these little, baked in like these little kind of like George Foreman grills, but have bubbles in it. It makes like a little pancake thing going on there. So, yeah. Sometimes they'll put ice cream in the middle of it. It's really good. Alright. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up. And push that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And I will see you next time. Bye.